Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the limited collections which I am going to show. Booking number is 9711152266. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also to follow my Facebook page. So these collections will be very beautiful collections, and this is the first dress. You can see this is a party wear with a lovely bluish green color, and this one is, the fabric is also stretchable. So this one, the size which will fit 34, 36, 38. The size which will fit 34, 36, 38. It's a beautiful dress. A beautiful dress. Abhi season completely shuru nahi hua hai summers ka. So that is the reason I'm giving it for just 1200 free shipping. You can grab it for 1200 free shipping. This beautiful dress. Look at this, and completely stretchable. 34, 36, 38 can go for this beauty. So this one is in yellow color dress, a beautiful dress, and this is padded dress. The dress is has fitted padded, and this one, the size which will fit 36, 38. Okay, the size which will fit 36, 38. So this is in georgette with lining, पूरा नीचे तक lining है, and this is completely in plated like this. You can see completely plated, a beautiful dress in 34 to 36, just for 999 free shipping. Just for 999 free shipping, you get this beautiful dress. If I forgotten, the previous dress is also 36 to 38, and this one is also 36 to 38. So this one is an E-Shakti dress. It comes with pocket. E-Shakti dress, it comes with pocket with a beautiful color combination. Look at this. ये भी georgette में है. Beautiful color combination. 999 free shipping में. ये E-Shakti का dress है. By chance मुझे मिल गया ये. It's a beautiful one. Don't miss it. 36 to 38 in E-Shakti, and this is off 999 free shipping. These are all the premium quality gowns which I am showing. So look at this. It's a beautiful piece in red and white polka dots. This is also in georgette. A lovely, beautiful gown. Beautiful gown, and it comes with the plates also. Okay, fine plates you'll be seeing all over till below. Okay, sleeves are also like this, but the price size is 36 to 38 again. Okay, 36 to 38 again. 34 also can go, because you can always fit in. कभी size at least tight नहीं होना चाहिए, ढीला भी हो चलता है. Okay, so exact size is 36 to 38. A beautiful dress, you can see, and it is completely till below. You can see the lining. Okay, lining is still below. A heavy long gown. Just for 1100 free shipping. Just for 1100 free shipping. It comes with the belt also, a beautiful belt. You can wear a white belt as well, or a black belt. Don't miss this dresses. Okay, these are very flary and heavy quality gowns. Look at this. इतना सुंदर piece है. This is in pastel orange. Okay, color यहाँ पे अलग आ रहा होगा, which I feel, but this is in pastel orange में. This is a brush pin. You can remove it also if you want, but it was attached here, so I kept it attached. ठीक है. And the fabric, I'll show it to you. इसका देखिए, this is the fabric. Okay, and this is completely four-way stretchable, and इस पे सारे completely a party wear gown है in 1200, but unfortunately the size which will fit, ये maximum आपका 40 चला जाएगा because it is stretchable. Okay, otherwise 34, 36, 38, 40, four sizes can go. And if anyone wants sleeves, इसके लिए छोटा sleeves attached है इधर. Okay, छोटा sleeves attached है. A lovely long gown in 1200 free shipping you can grab. ये बहुत ही सुंदर long gown है, and these gowns now only you are getting it for this price, else the prices will increase as the peak season will start. So here comes in 999 free shipping. 999 free shipping में, and this is also same type the yellow which I showed, but this is in floral, and the size which will fit हाँ साइड में जिप है 3840. The size which will fit 3840. There is a good yellow. यहाँ पे आप जब आ रहे हो तो थोड़ा pale yellow आ रहा. This is the exact yellow which is coming. Okay, बहुत सुंदर piece है, and the below you can see this is plated like this. Completely पूरा plated रहेगा, पीछे तक भी ऐसे plated है. Sleeves are also very nice. Okay, So price is just for 999 free shipping. You can grab these beautiful dresses for. So I think these were the collections on the gowns and dresses which I'm going to show. Please do comment and like how you like my collections, and do subscribe my channel, and also do follow my YouTube channel as well. Okay, if you want to share the WhatsApp group link to your friend circle, I will provide you the same. So thank you so much. Keep supporting me. I am not well, but still I am trying to be regular. So your support, if you keep booking, I will also feel like making the videos, right? So please supporting me that way. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and do keep shopping.